This is Ishant. You are watching YouTube channel Keeps Learning, Happy Learning. In our today's video, we are going to talk about whatever the upcoming free workshops, free training program, free faculty development programs are there, which includes free certificate also. So please be stay tuned. Keeps on watching. As I said that in our today's video, we will be going to discuss about free upcoming workshops, training programs and faculty development program. So I will be starting with workshops. So in this category, our first workshop is on career opportunities for UG and PG students, organized by Late Pudalik Rao, Gawali Arts and Science Mahavidyalaya, Maharashtra, which is going to held on 25th June from 10 am onwards. So if you are interested for this workshop, you can register for it. Registration link I have mentioned in the description box. So let's move for the next workshop, which is very interesting topic. So in this workshop, you will be learning how to develop web app and how to make it run faster. So the topic is Angular JavaScript to develop web apps faster. Organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, GMRIT, that is GMR Institute of Technology, Rajam, Andhra Pradesh, which is scheduled on 26th June from 10 am to 1 pm, which is 3-hour session. So if you are interested for this interesting topic, you can register for this workshop. Registration link I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, so our next workshop is going to organized by the Department of Civil Engineering, VIT Chennai, Vellore Institute of Technology, and in this workshop you are going to learn about construction enabling work, building information modeling, pre-stressed concrete structures, pile foundation and value chains of the real estate industry. Okay, and actually it is not a workshop, it is 5-day webinar session. Okay, so which is going to held from 25th June to 29th June, and the session timing you can find out in pamphlet which I mentioned in our video. Otherwise what you can do, you can click on the link, registration link, you will find out the session timing. So this is what third workshop. Now I will be moving for fourth workshop, which is the last one. So the topic is how to ace job interviews, which is going to organized by the Naukri.com and which is going to held on 25th June from 11 am onwards. So in this workshop you will be learning about how to attend interview and how to crack interview, right? So if you are interested for this workshop, you can register for it. Registration link I mentioned in the description box. So this is what all about workshop. Now I will be moving for next category, that is the awareness program, right? So this is very interesting program, and this is very the session of this program is going to be very interesting, because in this program you will be learning about inflation, you will be learning about how to save money, how to invest money, where to invest money, and what is the value of money with respect to time. Like presently in your pocket 100 rupees is there. After 1 year or maybe after 10 years, what is that value of that 100 rupee? Is it same or it will be less or it will be more, right? So you will be going to learn about that in this program, right? That is what inflation you can say. Okay, so the topic is investor awareness program, which is going to organized by Ambition Learning Solution in collaboration with BMS and BAF. Okay, and which is going to held on 25th June from 3 pm to 4:30 pm, which is 1.5 hour session. You can register for it if you are interested. Registration link I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, so I am moving for the next program, that is a training program, that is 3 days training program, and the topic is counseling as a profession and effective practices, which is going to organized by the Department of Social Work, Bharati Dasan University, Kajamalai campus, Trichy, and which is going to held on 26th June, 27th June and 28th June, and which is going to held in 2 sessions. Morning session will be 10:30 to 12 noon and afternoon session will be from 4 pm to 5:30 pm. Okay, so this is what, if you are interested for this 3 days training program, you can register for it. Registration link I mentioned in the description box. Okay, let's move for the next program. That is the leadership program, and it is only for the faculty members. So the topic is conference leadership program, and from any department faculty can attend this, and it is going to organized by the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication with IEEE Bombay section, and which is going to held on 26 June and 27 June, and at 5:30 PM to 7:30 PM, 2-hour session. Okay, and the registration is going to end on 26 June by 2 PM. So please keep in mind, you have to register before the 2 PM on 26 June, right? Okay, so this is what all about the workshop, awareness program, training program, and leadership program. So now I am moving for our next category, that is faculty development program, that is FDP. First, FDP is 5 days. Okay, the topic is cloud computing with AWS, and going to organized by Department of CSE, Computer Science and Engineering, Mahavir Institute of Science and Technology, Hyderabad, and scheduled on 13th June to 4th July, and timing is 10 AM to 12 noon, and it is open to all, and the last date for registration is 28th June. You have to register for yourself before 28th June. So if you are interested for this faculty development program, actually it is open for all, so anybody can register for it. So if you are interested, you can register for it. Okay, registration link I mentioned in the description box, right? So let's move for the next faculty development program, that is again 1 week faculty development program. The topic is recent innovation in mechanical engineering and scope for entrepreneurship. Okay, organized by Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, going to held from 29th June to 5th July, and timing is 10:30 to 1 PM, that is 2.5 hour session. So if you are interested for this faculty development program, you can register for it. I have mentioned the registration link in the description box. Okay, so our next faculty development program is on technological evolution and implementation of modern tools in automotive engineering, and which is going to organized by the UPES Dehradun. It is one of the leading college. Okay, petroleum, might be will be knowing about that UPES Dehradun, this college. Okay, and this FDP is going to organize from 26th June to 30th June, and for session timing you can click on the link, you will find out the session timing. Okay, so if you are interested for this faculty development program, you can register for it. Registration link I mentioned in the description box, right? So let's move for the next faculty development program, that is 1 week. Okay, and the topic is Eminent Trends in Mechanical Engineering, which is going to organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kommuru Pratap Reddy Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and which is going to held from 29th June to 3rd July, from 11 AM to 12:30 PM. Okay, so if you are interested for this faculty development program, you can register for it. Registration link I have mentioned in the description box, right? So let's move for the next faculty development program, and that is the last one. So the topic is very interesting topic. Computer science student and electronic students are very familiar about this device. You can say device or something, chip or something equipment, or a platform to do the coding, something like that. So that is ARDUINO, right? So which is in association with Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay, and going to organized by the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SV Engineering College, Tirupati, and which is going to help from 29th June to 3rd July, and the last date for registration is 27th June. And if you are interested for this workshop, you can register for it. Registration link I have mentioned in the description box. So this is what all about workshop, training programs, awareness program, and faculty development program. So still now, if you have not subscribed our channel, Please subscribe our channel, press bell button, so whenever we'll be uploading our next video, you will get the notification. Thank you.